today I'm going to show you how to make this flower palm leaf leopard beautiful tumbler, and then I am also going to show you my secret to mattifying on a budget, so make sure you stick around till the end. Let's get started. Today we are working on a 32-ounce plump from the Still Magnolia. These are my very favorite tumblers and the quality is unmatched, so make sure you give them a try and use my discount code linked for you guys down in the description. I am now taking an 80 grit sanding block and giving them a good rub to make sure there is no shine left on the tumbler, and also concentrating on that bottom rim. Once it is all sanded, we are going to take our pop of color called blush and coat this tumbler until it's evenly coated. This took me 2 coats in this color. Once your tumbler is completely dry, we're going to take it over to our turners and mix up some epoxy and add an epoxy layer. Once your epoxy layer has cured, you're going to take and cut out some palm leaves, some flowers, and some leopard print. I chose this rose gold metallic vinyl, and then we are going to start with applying the leaves and flowers first. This is what I found was easiest, just sporadically all over your tumbler, and then when you get all the leaves and flowers placed on where you would like, you're going to go back in and fill in all of those gaps with your leopard print. Once you have all of your decals applied, you're going to go back over to your turner and apply a layer of epoxy. It might take 2, but you need this tumbler completely smooth to move on to the next step. Now that your tumbler is completely smooth and cured, we are going to mat it out, and the best stuff I have found is called the pink stuff. I got this big jar on Amazon for like $6, and it works probably the best out of all the products that I have tried, and it's easy on the wallet, which is a super big bonus. And I just take a paper towel starting in circular motions, and I'll take a big chunk of the pink stuff, and I will just go circular and then back and forth and side to side, making sure there aren't any lines going one direction, and just buff that in in completely until the product is literally completely off of the tumbler and there is nothing left. I will do this usually 2 times to make sure that I have every square inch matted out before I go on, and I will then wash my tumbler with Dawn dish soap and water, and then your tumbler is completely matted out and it's so beautiful. I just love the look of a matte chrome finish. It kind of gives it more of a brushed finish look, and I just think it is so stunning. Once you have your tumbler all matted out, it is all finished, and look how absolutely beautiful she turned out. I am obsessed with this look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.